everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. It cannot be anything than Republic Day drawing. Today we will see how to draw Republic Day celebration drawing easily. Republic Day is a national holiday here in India. It honors the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect on January 26, 1950, replacing the Government of India Act 1935 as the governing document of India and thus returning the nation into a newly formed Republic India. After we became independent on 15th August 1947, the country though did not yet have a permanent constitution. So it was constantly changing. On 29th August 1947, a resolution was moved for the appointment of drafting committee with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as in chairman. While India's Independence Day celebrates its freedom from British rule, the Republic Day we celebrate for the coming into force of its constitution. The assembly met in the session open to public. Before that, a draft constitution was prepared by the committee and submitted to the Constituent Assembly on 4th November 1947. After that, they came into public and they met into a session for 166 days spread over a period of 2 years, 11 months and 18 days before adopting the constitution. So they actually, before adopting the constitution permanently, they tried to see the effects and the whatever the things is happening. And they did it for the 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. Then, after many deliberations and some modifications, the 308 members of the assembly signed 2 handwritten copies of the document. One was in Hindi and one was in English. And the date was 24th January 1950. And after 2 days, on 26th January 1950, it came into effect throughout the whole nation. On that day, Dr. Rajendra Prasad began his first term office as in president. He became the first president on that very day of the Indian Union. And the Constituent Assembly members became the Parliament of India members under the transitional provisions of new constitution. So it's always good, trying, remembering the histories and to know what we are celebrating and why we are celebrating. It's always nice to and amazing to recall the history. Well, now here I have tried to make a very simple drawing today with sketch pens and oil pastel. The main, apart from drawing the wallpapers and all, it's a very simple drawing. The main characters are here our future team members, our children, with the hope in mind that they would get one soul and one mind and all the freedom to explore themselves as in one nation and not as East Indians, West, North or South Indians, but as in Indians. It's 26th January, the historical day to remember our national heroes, the freedom fighters who suffered to give us the Republic nation. And on this very moment, on this very occasion, I would like to recall Rabindranath Tagore's some quotations where he said, "Where the mind is without fear and the head held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into the fragments by domestic wars, where the words come out from the depth of the truth, where tireless striving stretches his arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action, into the heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake." मुझे आशा है कि आज मैं अपने राष्ट्र के प्रति एक भारतीय के रूप में अपना थोड़ा सा कुछ योगदान देने में सक्षम हुई हूँ. If you like our drawing sessions and you want to know about different art forms from different places and occasions, then subscribe to our channel. अगर आपको हमारी ये ड्राइंग सेशन पसंद आ रहा है और आप अलग अलग जगहों के अलग अलग आर्ट फॉर्म और डिफरेंट ओकेशंस के आर्ट फॉर्म के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं, तो हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें. We wish you an awesome week ahead. Bye bye. Take care.